Pre-reading Meet Chadwick. Chadwick Boseman, also known as Black Panther, was a very respected and award-winning actor. He acted out many roles and made a major impact on the movie industry. Think and Talk. Chadwick brought many incredible roles to life. What do you think it takes to be a successful actor/actress? So I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer that question. Go. All right, we're going to wrap up that conversation in 3, 2, 1. Set a purpose. Chadwick had to put in a great deal of effort to become the record-breaking actor that millions came to know and love. Listen to find out where Chadwick's hard work got him. So on the next slide, you are going to listen to this biography.